Hey friends, I just want to chat with y'all a minute. We've had, this is my newest cookbook, Paula Deen Southern Bacon. And a lot of y'all have been asking what are my favorite recipes in here. Some that I would recommend maybe over another one. Well, I have to say, this book has more wonderful recipes, and I think it's got like 75 recipes that have never been published anywhere. So there's a good chance you will never have seen them. Well, look at here. Blueberry muffins. I laid a piece of chewing gum there, Eddie. That was on the table. So this blueberry muffin recipe with almond strudel will knock your socks off. It's just out of this world. It's about the only blueberry muffin I'll make out of this world. And they freeze nicely too, which I'm gonna be putting some of those in the freezer because I'm probably eating more of them than I should. So, that's a recipe that I make a lot because I keep blueberries here at the house. There's a lot of like little vanilla and lemon tea biscuits. Oh my goodness, for just a little bite of something to have with your coffee or your cup of hot tea, they'll just melt in your mouth. And oh my gosh, I just made this recipe too, the loaded banana bread. And is it all gone, Eddie?
It is gone, long gone.
I actually made two loaves and it's gone, and I just made it. My Aunt Peggy said, oh my goodness, she said, please make me some more of that banana nut bread. She said, that is the best banana nut bread that I have ever tasted.
Yeah, I think we just posted it not too long ago.
We did?
Yes.
Oh, good.
It's just up on...
All right, let's see what else. Oh my goodness. Salted caramel sheet cake. Now, in candy, caramels and salt are real popular right now. And I love a milk chocolate covered caramel with the kosher salt on top, the grainy salt. So good. So that's another great one. All right, let's see. I just made this one too a few days ago. It's good. Oh my gosh, what else have I made lately? Just lately. Orange ginger carrot cake. I love that one. Pumpkin pie. Oh, these pumpkin whoopie pies are real good. And this is kind of a variation of my two brothers' chocolate gobs that I started making when my boys were little snotty-nosed boys running around in the yard and riding their bicycles. So this is just made with pumpkin instead of a chocolate cake. So those are good too. Oh, but listen, here's one great time of day. Look at that apple strudel bread. Oh, and a deep dish apple pie. And a rusty apple tart. Oh my gosh, and the pecan pie cake. This is wonderful. All right, but I want to find one recipe in here that I thought I was, oh look, and this is my best friend Sissy and me, Susan Green. We love cooking and eating together. Oh my gosh, like I said, every one of them are wonderful. The peanut butter cupcakes, that's kind of close to my peanut butter pie, Eddie, but I have to cook those. All right, but oh, and the strawberry sheet cake, that was Miss Gloria's favorite. All right, but there's one recipe that key lime poke cake is out of this world too. The orange almond sheet cake. I love anything with almond, y'all. But that's not what I want to show you. I want to show you. These are wonderful too. I have to watch myself. The chocolate pecan pie bars. I have to watch myself. I adore buttermilk pies. If you like buttermilk pies, it's out of this world. All right, let's see. I'm gonna find that. Look at the little individual peach pies. To me, that is so genius, you know. And I want to thank the team that works on my cookbooks with me. Y'all are the best. I'm so proud that I get to work with y'all. And look at Mama's banana pudding. Oh my goodness. And my mama used to, the banana pudding that she would make for Bubba and me, she put a meringue on it. And when we'd come home from school, it'd be sitting there on the kitchen counter. It's the first thing we'd run into, and it was, Mama would cook it so it was just still warm for us. And Bubba and I did love that warm banana pudding, but I'm still looking for, there's a lot of wonderful biscuit recipes, crescent rolls, these honey yeast rolls. Look at those. Look at those rolls. I tell you, I just want to lick the page. I shouldn't be looking at this when I'm hungry. All right, well, this is just the recipe that I'm looking for. Scones. I love scones. If the recipe is right, but if the recipe isn't right, scones are not so good, but these are delicious. All right, the coconut skillet cake, I love that, and the berry cobbler. And these are delicious, the cheesy garlic skillet rolls, yum. Okay, this is the one that I was looking for. This recipe is so stinking good, y'all. So those are just a few of the recipes that I really make on a pretty consistent schedule. So they're all incredible, every one of them. And so I hope this helps out and answers your questions some. Look at this strawberry cream cheese Danish, please. 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 Oh my gosh, you make that with puff pastry, and I do love puff pastry, y'all. But the sweet orange marmalade rolls, it may take the cake for today. Hope this helps y'all out. Love you. Best dishes.